TV because my laptop got so messed up. Text, I'll message you after, guys. I'll message you guys back after. I'm on live right now. I can't message back right now. But I promise I'll do it whenever I'm done. Hold on, this is taking a while. My remote and my paper in my hands, but my paper's really wet. Okay, hold on. It's going. My day was so good. Can you guys hear my music? Thank you. Okay, I need to make this story. This is taking so long. Okay, I'm gonna add my sauce. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh. Did you guys hear that? Oh, it smells so good. Should I try it? Guys, should I try it before I do it? Because I don't know, this is just like a generic brand. I just saw it and it looked like it was better than other ones. Should I try it? I don't know. Guys, I don't know that I want to try it though. What if it's bad? It may not be that good. I don't know. I don't know that I want to try it. I think it's not going to be that good. Kind of like salsa. Should I try it? But it's red. Yeah, but Daddy, but I did. It's like red though. I don't like red sauce. Mm. Ooh. Wait. That's kind of good. This one's the best. Oh, Bonnie, you're so cute. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna use a spoon because I will be gross. I'm gonna make little stabs. I'm gonna make little stabs with pizza. Okay. Let's just stab it. Maybe that's too many stabs, but I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of oil.
Attendance told us I clicked on which was a problem. Max was like, why don't we try Rush Flow? And
I'm just gonna put a bunch of oil on me now.
By Monday morning, we had a fully
Okay,
fully
I'm gonna do
wait, you made that in one
sauce or whatever this is, marinara sauce.
really easy.
Oh, I just squirted it everywhere.
Now what?
Okay, I'm gonna do sauce.
I can keep up with the grip of their
Oh my god,
Definitely do not miss.
I just got it on me. Hold on. Okay, why is it coming out so much? Okay, we're gonna do a bunch of sauce. I think this is a lot of sauce, but I just got sauce all over me. That's enough sauce. I know. I kind of want to try it though. Should I try it? I feel like I want to try it. I feel like I need to try it a little bit. Cause what if it's like, I tried a little bit of it, but I want to like, kind of really good. It's kind of like salsa. I think I could eat it with like chips or something. That's yeah, I like whenever my pizzas are wet. Guys, do I try yes or no? Like, do I just like take a big mouthful? I don't know. Should I do it? Mmm. It's really sweet. I feel like I want to. It's kind of really. Oh my god. Oh. Guys, I just got it all down my leg. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hold on. It's literally sliding down my leg. Ew. What the heck? Guys, I already made a mess. I'm gonna be all stained now. I literally got it all over the floor. This is so bad. I literally always spill something. It's so annoying. Every time I try to make something, I always spill it. This is so bad. Hold on. I just got new stuff too. Hold on, I just got new wipes. I know these aren't the healthy ones, but it's better than nothing. My socks are really dirty too. I know they're so they're really bad. But anyway, don't look at those. It's just this is so bad. I'm really on my knees, freaking scrubbing my floor. I literally have it down in my cabinet door. Ew. So bad. I hate that. Yes, now my oven is literally turned on, and it's gonna get bad. My oven's gonna burn. I literally always spill everything. It's so bad. My toes. It's like I always am spilling something. It's so annoying. Okay, literally, this is so good too. I don't want to keep spilling it. Okay. I'm gonna put some to the side because my family always loves tomato sauce. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the side here so I can keep some. It's so good. So I can keep some for them because my family, I don't know about you guys, oh my god. Guys! I just picked it up! What the heck? Ew! Guys, I literally just picked this up. It looks like it's like blood. Oh my gosh. This is so annoying. I always feel something.